Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is C. So as you can tell by the title and also by the thumbnail, your girl finally got a camera. I am super excited. I've been wanting a camera for a very long time now, and I'm excited to have one. So now that my video quality can be a little better, it'll get me out of my comfort zone when it comes to vlogging. So I'm super excited. So we're gonna get into this video, but before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you guys can notify whenever I post a new video. And with that said, let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is the box of the camera. Now this is a PowerShot Sx730HS. Now I didn't purchase this from Walmart, Target, Best Buy. I actually purchased my camera from the Facebook Marketplace. Now this camera probably cost me about, plus shipping, probably about a little over $300, which is kind of cheaper from, you know, Target, Best Buy, anywhere you will purchase a camera. So I definitely feel like this was a steal. And again, this is a used camera, but when I talked to the person that sold me the camera, I definitely looked at pictures. I definitely seen it via FaceTime, so I actually saw what I was purchasing. So that's one good quality I did, and that you can do if you ever decide to purchase anything from the Facebook Marketplace. Definitely, you know, keep in contact with who you're about to give your money to. So again, I was pleased with the seller. They were very nice. I didn't have any issues, so definitely don't sleep on Facebook Marketplace. I have purchased my vanity top from Facebook Marketplace, so don't sleep on it. So you definitely can find some good gems. You know, one man's trash is the next person's treasure. A lot of people are trying to sell things, you know, give things away for free or sell them at a discounted rate. So definitely don't sleep on Facebook Marketplace. You can definitely find some gems there. So within this box, the person definitely put the camera in. The camera is not in the box, it's sitting here, but I just wanted to show you that they gave me everything I needed, which was the dealer record of Canon purchase. So it gives all the information, the serial number, everything that goes with this camera. It also gave me a booklet, a manual, you know, all that paperwork. They also did throw in a camera pouch. I did order my own from Amazon, so that should be coming in the next couple days. But I'll link it in my description box so you guys can just see which case I ordered. But again, this is one they provided. So without further ado, this is the camera, you guys. What I do love about this is that it has the flip up screen, so you can have a viewfinder, you can see yourself, make sure you're in frame, which I really love. Now the camera that I really wanted to get was the G7 Mark II, whatever that camera is. I really wanted that one, so I really couldn't find one that was kind of in my price range at the time, so this was the next best thing. Again, I really just wanted it for the flip up camera, so the fact that this camera has it was a plus for me. I love the fact that it has like a Wi-Fi, it has Bluetooth, so I can sync my videos or pictures from here to my cell phone, which is a plus. So this camera has a 40x optical zoom. This is the camera on, and the lens pulls out. Hey girl. So I'm gonna Hey y'all. This is cute. So I do like the quality on the camera. Again, I'll just have to put the settings on what I like. So they also did include a extra battery, which we all love. And it also came with the battery pack or the battery charger. So I did buy a memory card reader. I got this from Amazon. This is the Insignia card reader. So it does have a micro SD, which is the small one here. Then it has the regular SD here. And I'm not sure what CF is, but whatever that is, it will go at the bottom. And this is the cord to go with it as well, so I can edit from my MacBook or transfer files to my computer, so that's great. Again, I did order some things from Amazon that'll probably be here at a later time, like I told you earlier, I bought a new carrying case, but I did in a new tripod, so when I'm recording it'll just look all great. But this is a handheld vlog tripod that I got from Amazon. This is MT41 extendable vlog tripod. So this is what the tripod looks like. And it just kind of gives you like a diagram of what it looks like. So this is the tripod out of the box. So with this tripod, you can, it has the little ball joint on it. So you can hold it this way. So you can just move the head, adjust the head any way you like. So not only can you use this for your camera, you can also use this for your cell phone. So the cool thing about this, or one of the good features, is if you pull these two, it lifts out and it turns into where you can put your phone in the middle of here. So this is cool. So if you want to vlog with your camera, if you want to vlog with your phone, this is a great tripod. I love that it's sturdy, it's durable, it's handy. I love the fact that it's thick and it has like a nice grip. It doesn't feel like it's slippery. It does have some rubber, as you can see, like rubber on the legs. This is really nice. And again, the legs come out as such. So make it a tabletop or handheld. This is bomb, y'all. So this is my camera on the tripod. And again, it doesn't feel heavy, it still feels lightweight. I really like this. This will definitely be linked in the description box below if you guys are looking for a new handheld tripod or want to use something that's convenient for a camera or a cell phone. Definitely check out that. So this is just me recording my desk in front of me. It's a little junky. This is me recording myself. I gotta remember to look in the lens and not at myself. Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you guys get notified whenever I post a new video. I cannot wait to use my camera. I can't wait for all my other little goodies to come in that I bought to use with my camera. This camera came at a perfect time because your girl is getting ready to go on vacation. I am going to DR next month, so this was right on time. I'm super excited. I'm gonna try to definitely vlog different things every day. I'll be gone for a whole week, so this is a 7-day all-inclusive trip. So definitely look out for those videos coming soon. Again, guys, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye.